99% of people are drinking water the wrong way. Are you one of them? Water is the essence of life. It makes up about 60% of the human body and is vital for every cell, tissue, and organ to function properly. Yet, despite its importance, many people are not aware that they might be drinking water incorrectly, leading to several health issues. Therefore, if you want to know the right way to drink water, keep watching this video. Fast facts on drinking water. Adult humans are 60% water, and our blood is 90% water. There is no universally agreed quantity of water that must be consumed daily. Water is essential for the kidneys and other bodily functions. When dehydrated, the skin can become more vulnerable to skin disorders and wrinkling. Drinking water instead of soda can help with weight loss. 5 common mistakes people make when drinking water. 1. Drinking water before or after meals. Drinking water immediately before or after meals can dilute the gastric juices in your stomach, which are essential for proper digestion. This can slow down the digestive process and lead to bloating and discomfort. To avoid this, try rinsing your mouth with water before and after meals instead of drinking a large amount. This will help maintain optimal digestive function without diluting stomach acids. 2. Drinking water too quickly. Chugging large amounts of water at once can overwhelm your body and put stress on your kidneys. Drinking water too quickly doesn't give your body enough time to absorb it properly, which can lead to discomfort and even hyponatremia in extreme cases. Instead, sip water slowly and take small, regular sips throughout the day. This helps your body absorb the water more efficiently and keeps you hydrated without overwhelming your system. 3. Drinking cold water after intense activity. After intense physical activity, your body is heated and your muscles are working hard. Drinking cold water immediately after exercising can shock your system and cause your blood vessels to contract. This can lead to muscle cramps and indigestion. Instead, drink room temperature or warm water after exercising. This helps your body rehydrate more effectively and reduces the risk of muscle cramps and other issues. 4. Drinking excessive amounts of water, even when not thirsty. While it's important to stay hydrated, drinking too much water when you're not thirsty can be harmful. Overhydration can lead to an electrolyte imbalance, particularly a condition called hyponatremia, where sodium levels in the blood become dangerously low. This can cause symptoms such as headaches, nausea, confusion, and, in severe cases, seizures. Listen to your body's signals and drink water when you feel thirsty. Adjust your intake based on your activity level and the climate you are in. 5. Drinking water while standing. Drinking water while standing can lead to improper filtration by the kidneys and a strain on your overall system. When you drink water standing up, it tends to flow down your throat quickly, hitting the lower stomach with a force that can disrupt your digestive process. Instead, sit down, relax, and drink water slowly. This not only helps your body absorb the water better but also ensures that the kidneys can filter it properly. The healing power of water. Water has the potential to cure many ailments if consumed correctly. It can aid in digestion, improve skin health, boost energy levels, and even support weight loss. Proper hydration can help flush out toxins from the body, support kidney function, and maintain the balance of bodily fluids. By avoiding common hydration mistakes and drinking water correctly, you can harness the full benefits of this essential element. Water and digestion. Drinking water at the right times can significantly improve your digestion. Water helps break down food so that your body can absorb the nutrients. Staying hydrated ensures that your digestive system works smoothly, preventing constipation and other gastrointestinal issues. Water and skin health. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Dehydrated skin can become dry, tight, and flaky. It is more prone to wrinkling and aging. Drinking adequate water helps maintain the moisture in your skin, keeping it looking healthy and youthful. Water and weight loss. Water can also aid in weight loss. Drinking water before meals can help you feel full, reducing the amount of food you eat. Additionally, sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. Staying hydrated can help you avoid unnecessary snacking and overeating. Which of these hydration mistakes have you made? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Don't miss out on our next video.